Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add YouTube video as a full screen background in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to plugins and add a new plugin. And when you're here, you just want to write it player. Yeah, we have it there. Or let's go background video. And this is it. This is what we are looking for. The YouTube player for background video. Install now. And let's activate it. So when you got it, when you see it, you want to go to settings. No, here. It's right here. So settings. Now the YouTube video URL. So let's just find some video I got here. I don't know this song. Paste it. Static homepage. Okay. Save changes. Nice. You can edit like the quality default. Okay. And when I go to all pages and open the home page and preview the website, as you can see, the background video started. So this is how we do it, and this is how you can simply add YouTube video as a full screen background in WordPress. Thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.